Hello guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, it's just I was gone visiting my mom, so hi, so I'm going to show you how to take out your RAM and put it back in. Now for my PC case, I just have to lift this up, hard drive, power supply, lift this up, the CD drive, hard to do it with one hand, there. Now we're here. Bunch of cables. Try not to mess with any of them, but you see this here? You just flip it, then you do the same on the other side. You do that, you push it down, do the same on the other side, push it down. As soon as you do that, you're going to need to now you can pull it out gently. Gonna place this down here. Same with the other one. Gonna pull it out. Same with the other one. Gotta hold up. Technical difficulties. And pull the other one out. Now, as you can see, I don't know my. This is 2 gigabyte. This is 2 gigs. Same as this one. And this is they won't tell me. So but pretty sure this is 4 gig. This is 4 gigs. Now, what we do is now do the same. Push them all down, and then you gently try to match it. Try to match it like see here. See this little thing? You gotta try to match it there. Do the same on the other side. So let me just do that. And remember, only put them in the one and the first slot and the third slot. Because those are the slots that only work. Apparently, I don't know why. Now you have to push it down hard. You should hear that. Do it on the other side, and now it's secure. Now let's get one of these other 2 gigs. Put it in the third slot. For me, they're both the black slots. Push it down hard. And boom. And now this extra slot, I'm just going to put them in the slots. Random slot, because this one's going to be useless. So just quickly, carefully, just boom. Where's the clip? Boom, and oh my gosh. Hold up. There. And now for me, I just close this, close that, it's on. So there's your tutorial. Sorry for the camera quality. I'm using an iPad 2nd generation. I'm getting an iPad Air 2 today. It's supposed to be delivered today, so I might record some videos with that. But otherwise, see you guys in the next episode. Peace.